This is your man Tete, aka Boom Boom. Yeah. Today I'm about to share with you a new Kpanlogo drum rhythm. Yeah. So this rhythm pattern is it's little bit it might be confusing to the beginners or someone who doesn't have any idea, but if you've been playing, maybe djembe, conga, I think it will be somehow okay with you. So since I want to take my time to teach you the rhythm, I'm expecting you to also relax, relax and let's play together. Anyway, this is the rhythm. This is how the rhythm goes, okay? And just get your drums, whether djembe, conga, bongo, any drum that you can use your palm, okay, to make the sound, tone, bass, slap, mute, which is tone mute. The tone is, and you mute it. Mute. We have the slap, you mute it. Okay, yeah. So we have the slap, mute. We have the tone, mute. We have the bass, we have the slap, mute. Okay. And don't forget, in Ghana or any Kpanlogo player, we use a lot of the slap mute. Yeah. Sometimes we call it like bye-bye sign, So some people do like this for bye-bye, so we use a lot. So don't forget about that. So this is the rhythm, okay? Slap, tone, so I'm left-handed. I use my left for the slap and my right tone. So if you are right-handed, then you're going to use your right hand for slap and your left for tone. Okay? You are right-handed, you go, okay? So anything I do, just do opposite. Yeah. So do we go? Slap, tone, tone. Slap, tone, tone. Okay? Sometimes when I was teaching some rhythm, I had a comment like, man, you go too fast, relax for us. Yeah, so this time I want to relax, get the rhythm. Although I know if you seriously want to learn this rhythm, you go back and watch the video again. Let me relax and give it to you, okay, right? So let's continue. Okay, slap, tone, tone, slap, tone, tone. Then we continue. Slap, tone, tone, slap. Okay. I hope you have got that point because I've been slow on this part. So it's slap, tone, tone, slap. Slap, tone, tone, slap. Okay. One of the best way that you can be good in playing percussion, which is the hand one, is always try to share the sound. Or is it sound? You create the sound by your hand, so you try to share it one one, okay, one 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 one. Sometimes you want to go two 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 one two two one, but mostly if you want to keep playing for a very long time and also you want your hand to balance, you have to share the rhythm to your hands. Okay, so I hope you get what I mean. So let's continue. Okay, takitika, takitika. So we go to the bass. So we go bidding. All I'm sharing, don't go like this. You see, then it means if you are left-handed, your right hand just play only one, and your left hand has already played three. So don't go no. And the same thing, if you are right-handed, don't go okay, don't go no. Just share the rhythm, okay? So let's continue. So it's go, okay? So we then begin bass, you know? We continue. Now we come to slap mute, or the bye-bye sign that I said. Okay. Okay. So make sure whilst you are studying the rhythm, you have to check your sound too, okay? Let's continue. So please, for your own good, whilst you playing the rhythm, check your sound too, okay? So anytime you are playing, you can feel, you can enjoy your own play. You can enjoy. Yeah, you have to get the enjoyment. It's not just making noise, okay? So let's go. Okay, we continue. So we come back to tone. Okay. Let's try together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go again. You did a mistake. Let's go again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. One more. Let's go again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so this is the full rhythm, but this point, I will encourage you to do it in tone, and you can do it in mute too. So you can mix both tone and mute to give you extra flavor to the rhythm. So this is what I mean. You're going to, next time you're going to play, you go, you feel me? So you can go open, mute. Open, you can do it two times open, one time mute. You can do it, you can do it 2 times open, 2 times mute. You can do it open, mute, open, mute. It depends how best you can play, okay? Yeah. You can go 1 open, 2 mute. It's up to you to just do it by yourself. Just the idea is, if you can do open and mute, it will increase the value, or it will give you more flavor to your beat. So this is how the rhythm goes. We will continue. You want to continue and continue. So you want to go. Oh, sorry. Let's go again. You get it? Yeah. So this is how the rhythm goes. Now you want to return. Sometimes playing it like this, someone is also getting confused, because now I'm continuing the rhythm. So someone will say, man, how do you continue the rhythm? It's just the same thing. You go back. So you're going to take it, right? You go from there again, because the rhythm starts from. So after you play, you go again to continue. I will play it a little bit faster for you to get the feeling of the rhythm. You feel me? Yeah, so listen to how it goes. You can go as fast as you want, but because I want you to get the feeling, after I'll use the bell, add it to it for you to get the taste of it. This is how it goes, okay? Okay, this is how it goes. You can go more faster. to surprise whoever you wanted to surprise. You can go more faster to make all the people around you feel you more. Yeah. But you have to know the rhythm well before you move further. But I will encourage you to, I always love to, hear those who make good sound. Yeah, because that's how I was raised with, make the good sound. Make the good sound. Then they follow the rhythm. Then you try to practice it little faster. Okay. And when you practicing a rhythm faster, you still have to make sure the fast you go, you will keep the sound, because again, there are a lot of people, when they're playing the slow rhythm, you can see they are playing it nicely. The sounds are coming out nicely. As soon as it turns fast, it start going, everything become noisy. Okay, you don't want it like that. You want to keep the sound going whilst you are changing your gear. Okay, yeah. So keep that in mind. Let's do it again, and let's add the bell for you to get the taste, as I said, how a Ghanaian drummer will play it with the bell. Of course, one person should play the bell for you whilst you play, but I will try to use my leg to play the bell whilst I'm playing the rhythm. If I can, I will try it. So that's how we're going to do it. Okay. So listen again. Got the place that I'm playing mute, and sometimes I play the tone, sometimes I play the mute. Yeah. So now let's add the bell to it and see how the rhythm tends to become, or how you feel it, how you get into the bell and enjoy the rhythm even by yourself. If you can get this is it fit bell or whatever, if you can get some to use your own leg to play the bell whilst you playing using your Kpanlogo, or using djembe to play, using bongo or using conga to play, or any drum that you wanted, you can use your palm to play. Enjoy the rhythm. Enjoy. So let's go with the bell. So we go. So the bell goes da 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 da. You want to go? Okay, so it goes. Then you want to go. That's how you go into the bell, okay? Ta 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 ta. Okay. Okay, let's go again. This bell is, so we go. I want to play a little slowly for you. We go again. So this is how the rhythm goes. I think I have really take my time to teach you how the rhythm goes from the beginning, how it forms to the end, and that this how you go into the bell. One, two, three, four, five. Okay. Then it's continue. It's continue. So this is the rhythm, and I know you have enjoyed, especially those who are trying to learn different rhythms. Yeah. Just leave a comment if you want me to do something differently, or you need more Kpanlogo reading pattern. I have much that I will share. Yeah, so leave a comment. Let me know how you enjoyed. Let me know how you like it, and also share it to other friends that you know that they also love drumming. It can be professional, it can be amateur, it can be a beginner. Just share it and support the channel too. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again.